I made the case in class about metric measures being pretty simple to work with, and doing conversions within the metric system also fairly straightforward, mainly because everything we work with is a multiple of 10. Tens, hundreds, thousands. So all we're doing really is moving a decimal place. I introduced a chart like this to give you an idea and a visual to show you how easy it is to do conversions, particularly since whether it's mass, volume, or distance, it works the same way. For instance, looking at distance, meters to kilometers, the number we will use is 1,000, either multiply or divide. Liters and kiloliters, it's also 1,000. Grams and kilograms, also 1,000. Looking at the other side, meters to centimeters is 100, centimeters to millimeters is 10, and meters to millimeters would be 1,000. Liters to milliliters, 1,000. Grams to milligrams, 1,000. So they use the same factors from the base unit to million, the base unit to kilo. It's the same, whether it's grams, liters, or meters. Anyway, let's make use of that knowledge now. So here's some examples. 2.35 meters, we want to convert it to kilometers. Okay. So 2.35 meters, and as I've said in another video, we will always multiply. Put meters in the bottom, put kilometers on the top. And from kilometers to meters, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So we get 2.35 divided by 1,000 kilometers. Dividing by 1,000 just means I move the decimal 3 places. So that's 0.00235 kilometers. Now, for some of you, you ask me, well, couldn't we just say if we're going in one direction, we multiply, and in the other direction we divide? Sure we can. So let's try that. From large to small units, so I'm going from kilograms to grams, kiloliters to liters, liters to milliliters, whatever. Anything going this way, because I'm going from large units to small units, there's going to be more small units, so I'll multiply. Now, I'm going to go to shop for a moment. Needed a new color. If I'm going this way, so from the small units to the large units, so I've got milligrams, want to find out how many grams, or I've got meters, want to find out how many kilometers, then we'll divide. And as we saw in that example, that's exactly what we did. From 2.35 meters going to kilometers, I'm going that way, I'm going to the large units, I'll divide by 1,000. So for metric, you don't necessarily have to stick to this method. If you remember this, then it's just a matter of moving decimal places. So let's try that on this next one. 53.7 kilometers, and I want to see how many centimeters it is. So 53.7, that's kilometers, and I'm going to centimeters. So I'm going this way. There's going to be more because they're smaller units. So I'm going to multiply times 1,000 to get millimeters, then times 100 to get centimeters. I don't need a calculator. I count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, and I'm multiplying, which means I'm going to make the number bigger. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to move the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. 53, the decimal was here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. And the units are centimeters. So 53.7 kilometers is 5,370,000 centimeters. Let's try this next one. Kilograms to grams. I'm going this way, so I'm multiplying. So I'm going from large units to small units. There would be more small units. 94 kilograms. And I'm multiplying, going this way. Kilograms to grams is 1,000, so I'll multiply by 1,000. Multiply by 1,000, there's 3 zeros, so I move the decimal 3 places. 94, the decimal was here, so I just add 3 zeros. So 94 kilograms is 94,000 grams. 1443 milliliters. Well, for this one, from milliliters and I make it into liters, I'm going this way, from small units to large units. I will divide, because there's going to be fewer large units. So from milliliter to milliliter, the number's 1,000. And I'm dividing by 1,000. Well, dividing by 1,000, there's 3 zeros that move the decimal 3 places. So the decimal was here. 1, 2, 3 places. So 1,443 milliliters is 1.443 liters. So this chart is a handy visual. I'm a very visual learner. I can put this in my head and I can see it. And that really helps me with my metric conversions. Makes it fairly simple. And if you don't want to use this method, for metric, it's pretty simple to move between units. You don't necessarily have to use this method, which I really recommend when we're going things like miles to kilometers or kilograms to pounds, things that cross in a complex fashion. Using the units method is probably better, in fact almost certainly better. But for strictly metric, this kind of method is just fine.